Hi there, my name is James and I'm from Foxwood, and I just wanted to make this quick video to show you how to assemble my original Kumiko lamp. So these lamps have been getting quite a lot of downloads and prints on MakerWorld, so I thought it would be a good time to put together a little assembly video and show you how it all goes together. So I'll also be adding a PDF instructions on how to assemble it in case you'd rather follow along with that. My original idea for this design was to make something that traditional manufacturing like injection molding couldn't really achieve. So although you could kind of do this with injection molding, it'd be a very complicated tool and you'd have to have all sorts of different considerations and compromises. That's the idea of this, and I wanted to do quite an intricate pattern like Kumiko just because I thought it would look really cool. So I've done 3 different sizes: small, medium and large. Depending on what you want or what size printer you have, you can pick whatever suits you. So the files are already uploaded to MakerWorld, so all you have to do is go online and search Kumiko lamp by Foxwood and these should come up. So one thing to note is that the inner shade is optional. You can either have it in to kind of diffuse the light more, or you can keep it out and remove it so it gives a sort of different effect and spreads the light differently. So the way they go together is the same on all 3 lamps, so I'm going to use the medium lamp as the example. For the lamps you'll need to print the 2 base pieces and an inner shade that's printed in vase mode and the outer shade, which is the Kumiko pattern. You also need one of these LED kits which you can get directly from MakerWorld. You can either find a link for these in the model descriptions on MakerWorld, or you can go directly to Bamboo Labs Maker Supply site and find it in there. As my lamp is part of the creator program, if you purchase one of the kits through my link or directly from the Maker Supply website by clicking on my model, I'll get a small kickback and no extra cost to you. And that goes to help me making more designs and uploading them for free. So please consider doing that if you want to help me, that'd be really great. So to assemble it, it's pretty straightforward. All you have to do is put the LED kit into the base so that the light will be shining through. And then there's a little slot there for the cable. And then get the other base piece and that goes on here and then just locks into place. A few people have assembled this upside down somehow with the light shining through here. Don't do that, it goes through this way. So the next step is gluing it together. You don't have to glue it, you can just have the pieces loose so you can take them on and off if you want. But it's quite nice to have it all glued together and it's one solid lamp. So just put a few dots of glue in the inner ring. And then the same with the outer ring. And then the inner shade goes in the inner ring and the outer shade slides over it and goes in the outer ring. And then that's all you need to do, and you've got yourself a nice sturdy lamp that's not going to fall apart when you lift it. And you can take this off if the LED broke and replace it with a new one. Thank you again to everyone who's already downloaded these and left a review or commented or boosted. It's, you know, as a designer, it's so cool to see so many people make these and enjoy them and even gift them to people. Yeah, it's just really exciting that my product is out there. I think there's probably between 10,000 and 30,000 of these that people have made, and you know, all around the world, which I think is a really cool aspect of designing 3D printed products. You know, I haven't had to mass manufacture these, I just designed them, put the file online, and then now they're all over the world, which is really very cool. So I definitely encourage anyone to make something and upload it to platforms like MakerWorld. So again, you can download these on MakerWorld if you just search for Kumiko lamp Foxwood, and they're free to download and use for personal use and gift to people and gift to friends. But I also do offer a commercial license for any of you who are into that sort of thing and want to print them and sell them. You can do that through my Patreon or MakerWorld's memberships. So check out my page on MakerWorld if you're interested in seeing any of my other designs, such as these ones. So I hope you found that video useful, and if you want to see more videos like this, please consider following me and subscribing to my YouTube channel. Hopefully I'll be doing more videos about my designs in the future. Bit of a ramble.